Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Oceans Clean Up Hobby Upgrade ticket in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new hobby, the Oceans Clean Up like this. And then in here you can increase your level like this to get more ability for your oceans clean up and then unlock more types of seashells. And to increase this level, you need oceans clean up hobby upgrade ticket like this. And to get this hobby upgrade ticket, you can get it from the Whale Fall Canyon Expeditions catalog. Over here, just tap on this shell icon, and then in here, at every level you can unlock or you can get this hobby upgrade ticket like this. So make sure to keep increasing your level on this Willful Canyon catalog, this one. And to increase this level, you need the certificate of explorations that you can get it after you complete the daily quest on here, the Willful Canyon daily request like this. And then when you successfully increase every level at this Willful Canyon catalog or real volcano explorations like this, you can get this hobby upgrade ticket. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.